Welcome for Chingching. Today, I'm gonna put on makeup for my graduation. And my aunt's gonna help me. I'm gonna move here so you can see the camera. Here we go. Now she's gonna put on my makeup. Foundation.
Straight natin.
Okay. Guys, let's see who's gonna get the medal, even the award. Because today's my graduation, I'm gonna comb my hair on myself. I have my uniform. Oh no, not that. Oh my goodness, so good. No. Ate, is it gonna be hot? Is it hot already?
No. Sit properly.
It's hot. Just joking. I'm gonna comb my hair because it's so easy. Then next, the makeup part. My auntie have to help me after doing the makeup part. There's her head. Ate, say hi.
Easy. Okay, next one.
Foundation. Wow, makeup is so fun. Can I put this one on myself? Tell me where to put this. I know how. Lipstick, so easy. Lipstick, pink one. Now I have foundation. And I have eyelash. Ate, what's this? This is blush on. And of course, you know, lipstick. Let's get started.
First is this one.
Stop.
Baby
Cream. I don't like cream. Because it's so sticky. How's this supposed to be done?
Yes.
Then after that, foundation. Now I got it open. Now you can see all the makeup here. There's glitter. Have glitter.
Mini good.
I'm showing them everything. Uh-oh.
Look up.
Uh-oh. Can you open this so she
Wait,
can show them?
okay.
She's not good
So your
makeup.
face is not dry.
My face is not gonna be dry. Oh my gosh. My face will be sticky. Now we have lipstick over here. I cannot open. So later I'll show you. Foundation. I will makeup. Okay, now guys, we're having foundation. This one is
Sponge.
the sponge and this one's not because this one's already dirty. So where are we putting this, ate? Belongs here? But it's already dirty. Do we have to throw? Okay. Now, auntie is putting foundation.
You're so dark. I think makeup.
Why are you dabbing it? Like, tap, tap, tap.
Mm.
And you dabbing it in my face.
Malikot.
Don't put in my lips.
You have more towel.
Okay.
Sorry.
Ew. Oh. Do you have to put in my arm? Wow. Wow, I have so much foundation. Now,
Eyebrow.
eyebrow. Oh my goodness. We have to color my eyebrow.
Dali, mag-1 o'clock na.
Oh, it's 1 o'clock. Oh no. I have to stay still, guys. When I go to school, I have to be like this also. Uh-oh. I don't have to... At least, I don't have to do this. This is so sharp. Guys, if this is so sharp, you cannot do it, right?
Where's the...
You have to sharp and sharp. If it's so not sharp, you have to sharpen. Oh no. Eh!
This is not a...
Give me, I can open. It's so easy.
Please.
So easy to open. It's like a baby.
It's not easy.
You can't open it easily. What's that for? Ah! No, erase it.
Bakit? Magbalikod, bilisan mo. At atin na lang kalagyan ito.
Just tago naman yan. At least dishwashable.
Easy. Ayun.
Ayaw, meron pa.
Kailan? Bilis. Kasi ayun pala.
Ate, why do you need a cotton bud?
Of course, you need makeup. O, dali, dali. Okay na, okay na.
Why are you getting so much like this?
Okay, next, this one.
Oh my.
Oh my God ka na, oh my God. Oh, dali, dali.
I can move my eyes. I want glitter, this one. I want glitter, not that. This one first. I think the eyes, I'll tell you what I want, okay? We need 1, then 2. Okay, no, that one's over here.
Wait lang. Naku. Macy? Yun, meron na ba?
Okay, that,
Not yet. Okay, next.
okay, eyebrow. This one.
This one?
No, the glitter first for the eyes.
Ah, okay. This one muna. Okay. Dali. Okay.
Wow.
Dali, dali mo. This one pink.
Wow, you're good. This. I love it.
Doon na. Ayun. O, dali na. O, this one
that's
next.
nice.
Tama o.
What's that?
The glitters.
It's 12 o'clock na. What time is it?
Not yet na.
Now, guys, I'm gonna put on my graduation suit. This will be messy. My auntie have to help me. Graduation. Thank you for watching.